Hi, crew. What should we do today? Let's have some fun.
Let's practice the alphabet.
Oh, yes. I want to draw.
And I'll give examples.
I'll help you, Stella.
I'll get some more letters.
This is gonna be so much fun.
Special delivery.
Ooh, it's the letter A.
Make way. Beep, beep. The letter A.
A is for apple, a juicy red fruit that grows on trees and is delicious to eat.
I've got another delivery.
It's the letter B. Hey, Bria, I got your favorite letter.
Oh, I love the letter B. B is for Bria the Bulldozer. That's me.
B is for bulldozer, like Bria, a powerful machine with a giant blade that pushes dirt and debris.
Special delivery.
The letter C. Hey, my name starts with C. Carl the Crane.
The letter C. Make way. Beep, beep.
C is for crane, like Carl, a tall machine with a long arm used for lifting heavy objects.
Ooh, this is a good one.
The letter D. You're right, Danny. D is for Danny the dump truck.
Make way. Beep, beep. It's the letter D.
D is for dump truck, which carries and dumps loads of dirt, rocks, and other materials, and is also the name of my best friend, Danny the dump truck.
Ooh, this is a good one.
The letter E. Eli the Excavator's gonna love this one.
Whee! It's the letter E.
E is for excavator, like me, a digging machine with a big bucket used to move earth.
Special delivery.
The letter F.
F is for fun.
Oh, Bria, F is for Firetruck, a bright red truck that carries firefighters and equipment to put out fires.
Here's another one.
It's the letter G. G.
Oof, this is a tricky one. There we go.
G is for garbage truck, which collects and hauls away trash and recycling.
Here's a delivery.
It's the letter H. H stands for... I know.
I'm drawing the letter H.
Good try, Carl. H is for helicopter, a flying machine with spinning blades that can take off and land vertically.
Special delivery.
The letter I. This makes me hungry for some reason.
Yeah, I'm with you on that, Carl.
Well, then I must stand for ice cream, a cold and sweet treat that comes in many flavors.
I wonder what this letter is.
The letter J.
The letter J is fun to draw.
J is for Jeep, a rugged vehicle that can drive over rough terrain.
Special delivery.
The letter K. K is for cool. Wait, no.
Carl, please don't confuse me. Cool starts with a C. This is the letter K.
K is for karate, a martial art that involves kicking and punching.
Here's another one.
The letter L. Just the letter L. I won't try to say anything else.
Thanks, Carl. Drawing the letter L is easy.
L is for limousine, a long and luxurious car often used for special occasions.
I've got a big one.
The letter M.
Oh, this is a tricky one. The letter M.
M is for motorcycle, a vehicle with two wheels and a powerful engine.
I wonder what this letter is.
The letter N. Na 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 na.
Hey, the letter N is similar to the letter M.
N is for noodles, a long and thin food made from dough, often served with sauce and delicious.
Special delivery.
Ooh, it's the letter O. Aren't you glad I didn't say anything?
Carl. Oof. I hope this one doesn't make me dizzy. Oof.
O is for orange, a citrus fruit that is round, juicy, and packed with vitamin C.
Here's another one.
The letter P. Ping pong, ping pong.
It's time to draw the letter P. Here we go.
P is for police car, used by police officers to patrol and respond to emergencies.
Here's a delivery.
Ooh, the letter Q. Good luck with this one.
You're right, Carl. I can't think of any word that starts with Q.
I can. Q is for quarry truck, a heavy-duty truck that hauls large rocks from quarries, similar to a dump truck.
Special delivery.
The letter R. Mateys, I want to be a pirate again.
Yar. Drawing the letter R.
R is for rain, water that falls from the clouds to the ground and is so much fun to jump and play in.
I've got another delivery.
Ooh, it's the letter S.
Oh, this will be a tough one. There we go.
S is for school bus, a yellow bus that safely transports children to and from school.
Special delivery.
The letter T. I could really go for a treat right now.
Yeah, me too. I'm getting a bit hungry, but I love drawing. Let's keep going.
T is for T-Rex, a fierce dinosaur with short arms and giant teeth.
I wonder what this letter is.
It's the letter U. You and me.
Oh, Carl, it's not all about you or me. It's the letter U.
U is for unicorn, a mythical creature that looks like a horse with a single horn on his head.
Special delivery.
The letter V. Are we almost done yet?
Yeah, we only have a few letters left. There's the V.
5 letters left to be exact. V is for volcano, a mountain that erupts with lava, ash, and gases.
I've got a big one.
The letter W. I'm not worried about anything.
Well, I am. This is a hard one. There we go. Got it. Letter W.
W is for wolf, a wild animal that lives in packs and howls at the moon.
Special delivery.
The letter X. Oh, this is a hard one.
X marks the spot.
X is for X-ray, a special picture that lets doctors see inside your body.
Here's another one.
Yes! It's the letter Y. Why did I say
Beep,
yes?
beep. I love drawing the letter Y.
Y is for yogurt, a creamy and healthy snack made from milk.
I wonder what this letter is.
The letter Z. Is this the last one?
Oh, Carl. Yeah, Z is the last letter in the alphabet.
And Z is for Zamboni, a machine that smooths the ice at an ice skating rink. And that's it.
We hope you had fun today learning the alphabet with the crew. We'll see you next time on Construction Truck Adventures.
Hey everyone, I'm Carl, and I'm a crane. My crane arm is super useful. It can spin all the way around, like this. Whee! It can also go up and down, and even extend to reach really far. I can use my crane to lift all kinds of heavy things, like lifting beams for really tall towers, loading cargo ships, and even rescuing people from high places. Ooh, let's lift those fence posts over there. See? I hook it in, lifts it up high, spin it around, and take it just where it needs to be. We already did one. Let's lift them all with my crane. Lift, 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 lift. I love lifting with my crane. Lifting this post, raise it high, spin around to where it needs to be. And there's the final one. Isn't my crane awesome? If you need something lifted and moved with care, just call on me, Carl the Crane.
Hey there, everyone. I'm Danny the Dump Truck, and I love to haul and dump. With my big, strong dump bed, I can carry all kinds of things: sand, gravel, rocks, and even toys. Just fill me up, and I'll deliver wherever you need it. Hey, Eli, can you dig up some sand for me? I need to dump it over there and could use your help.
Hey, Danny. Yeah, not a problem.
Awesome. Thanks, Eli. Okay, let's get started. Now that my bed's full, watch this. And dump, 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 dump. I love that. All right, let's do one more.
No problem. You got it, Danny.
See? It's like magic. I can take the sand from there to here, or here to there. Another load's full. Let's go dump it. And dump. That never gets old. Done. I'm Danny, and dump trucks are awesome. Your turn, Eli.
Hi, everyone. I'm Eli the Excavator, and I love to dig. My digging arm can spin all the way around, just like Carl's. But most of all, I really love to dig. My strong shovel can scoop up lots of dirt, rocks, and pretty much anything. I can dig holes for foundations, swimming pools, and even buried treasure. I can also help load up trucks like my best friend, Danny the Dump Truck. Hey, Danny, can I get some help?
Of course, Eli. You just helped me.
Thanks, Danny. I have some rocks to dig up. Dig. Pour. Dig. Pour.
I'll go dump it.
Let's do it again. Dig. Pour. Dig. Pour.
See you later, Eli.
See, we make a great team. Need something dug or moved? Eli the Excavator's on the job. Your turn, Bria.
Make way. Beep, beep. Bria the Bulldozer coming through. My job is to push and shove. With my mighty blade, I can move mountains of dirt, level uneven ground, and even push those really big rocks. Watch this. That was a little too easy. I need a challenge. I really need a challenge.
All right. Here's a challenge for you, Bria.
Nice. Now we're talking. See, nothing can stop a bulldozer. Need something moved or cleared out of the way? I'm your girl, Bria the Bulldozer. Your turn, Stella.
Hello, I'm Stella the Steamroller. Oh, what a mess. Well, I love to make things nice and even. My heavy roller can flatten any surface, creating smooth roads, perfect pathways, and even the best racetracks. Let's smooth out this ground. Oh, all right, there we go. Nice and smooth, making it perfect. Rolling, rolling, rolling. Smooth, smooth, smooth. Happy thoughts, happy thoughts. Make it nice and smooth and perfect. I'm Stella, and steamrollers are perfect. Steamrollers make it smooth.
Bulldozers push it out of the way.
Excavators? Well, we love to dig.
Dump trucks, we carry and move.
And cranes lift heavy things.
Thanks for watching and learning about the crew. We'll see you next time on Construction Truck Adventures.
It's Carl. It's Danny. It's Eli. It's Stella. It's Bria. Construction Truck Adventures.
The construction crew has been invited by the king to showcase their skills in the Tournament of Champions.
Hi, everyone. We are the construction crew, and we're ready to compete. I'm Eli the Excavator, and I love to dig. I have a long arm and can spin all the way around, like this. Pretty neat. My long arm and powerful shovel can scoop up tons of dirt, rocks, and even make big holes for foundations, swimming pools, or even buried treasure. Just point me in the right direction, and I'll get digging. Hello, Your Majesty. What would you like me to do?
Well, hello, Sir Eli. Your challenge is to dig up the buried treasure hidden in the courtyard. Can you do this?
Ha! It's time to dig.
The first challenge is the treasure excavation, where Eli must use his digging skills to unearth the hidden treasures buried around the castle grounds. Eli the Excavator digs with precision and power, unearthing all the hidden treasures. What a fantastic start to the tournament.
Ha ha! Digging up all those blocks was easy for an excavator like me.
Next up is the block sorting challenge.
Ooh, it's my turn. Let's see what this challenge is all about. Special delivery! I'm Danny the dump truck, and I'm always ready to haul. With my big, strong dump bed, I can carry anything you need, from sand to gravel to stone to blocks. Just tell me where to go, and I'll deliver the goods. Hi, Your Majesty. What can I do for you?
Sir Danny, your challenge is to sort these blocks by color and deliver them to their designated areas. Can you do this?
You got it, King. Time to get this show on the road.
The red block. The yellow block. The red block. The blue block. The red block. The blue block. The green block. The green block. The blue block. Danny the dump truck sorts and delivers each block with speed and accuracy. He's a master of organization and efficiency.
See that, folks? Sorting and delivering is a piece of cake for a dump truck like me.
Oh dear. I hope this challenge isn't too difficult. Hi everyone, I'm Carl the Crane. I might seem a little bit clumsy sometimes, but I'm always careful when lifting and moving things. My long arm can reach really high and lift heavy objects. I've even been known to use it as a wrecking ball from time to time. And I can swing objects and place them precisely. Let me show you. Hello, sir. I'm ready for whatever you need.
Ah, Sir Carl, your task is to build the tallest, most impressive wall you can. Can you do it?
Your Majesty, I'll do my best. As a knight of this land, I'll do my best.
With careful precision and a steady hook, Carl the Crane stacked the blocks beautifully.
There, I'm done. I did it. I really did it. I stacked all the blocks and made a colorful wall.
Sir Carl, that is a very impressive wall. But now, show us your wrecking ball capabilities and knock it down.
Okay. I can do that with this, my wrecking ball.
Carl must now use his demolition skills to knock down the wall. You got this, Carl.
Whoa, that was fun! See? Even a crane can have so many different uses. I did it!
The next challenge is the courtyard clearing.
That's me. Make way. Beep, beep. Make way. Bria the Bulldozer coming through. I'm here to push and shove. With my mighty blade, I can move mountains of dirt, clear land for building, and make paths for roads. Just try and stop me. Bria the Bulldozer, at your service, Your Majesty.
Lady Bria, your task is to clear the courtyard of all these blocks. Can you do this?
Please. No problem, King. This is what I was built for.
With powerful pushes, Bria clears a path through the courtyard, effortlessly moving the scattered blocks.
See? Nothing can stand in my way. This bulldozer is unstoppable.
And finally, the Smooth Operator Challenge.
I'm ready for my turn. Smoothness is key. Hello, I'm Stella the Steamroller, and I love to make things nice and even. My heavy roller can flatten any surface, leaving it perfectly smooth and ready for anything. Hello, sir. I'm ready for any challenge.
Lady Stella, your task is to smooth out the courtyard and create a perfect surface. Can you do this?
It will be my pleasure to make it perfect, Your Majesty.
With graceful movements and a keen eye for detail, Stella smooths out the bumps and creates a perfectly level surface.
And there. Now it's perfectly smooth and ready for anything. We did it, crew!
The construction crew has triumphed in the Tournament of Champions. What amazing feat will they accomplish next? Find out next time on Construction Truck Adventures.